All right, we are transitioning our face for fall. Don't you want to know the latest gadgets out there to make us look better? More and more people are talking about the Halo laser to rejuvenate the skin. The laser is designed to target skin damage and the visible signs of aging. Doctors say it can remove age spots, smooth out uneven areas of pigmentation, and bring about a glowing, healthy skin. Don't we all want that? Joining us right now with more about this treatment, Dr. Norman Rowe, a board-certified plastic surgeon here in New York City. Nice to have you on Good Day New York.
Thank you for having me. Great to be here.
So you usually do surgeries, right?
I do quite a bit, yes.
You do quite, but people also want the latest and greatest. They don't want to always go under the knife, right?
I think exactly. I mean, you have to offer both. You have to do both because each has its strength, each has its weaknesses. And I always tell my patients, surgery is not the end all. You still have to maintain. You still have to do the Botox. You still have to do the lasers. It's not surgery. It's not a one and done proposition.
All right. So talk about the Halo laser because you brought it with us today.
This is a wonderful laser. This is the handpiece for the laser that you have, and it is a technology that's been around for a couple years, but the uses have been expanded. It is now used to be smaller areas of the face. Now you can use it on the entire face. We use it on the neck. We use it on the hands. We use it on the décolletage. The unique thing about this laser is not only does it take care of, as you said, hyperpigmentation, spots, sun damage. It also will take care of fine lines, wrinkles. It'll take care of large pores. But this laser has a combination of technology, ablative, non-ablative laser technology, which allows you to do it in the middle of summer, which has always been a drawback of the more traditional lasers.
I was about to ask you, Dr. Rowe, because I know people who have had the Fraxel, and there's definitely some downtime to that. And, it depends. Like, I have a little bit darker skin, not always maybe good for my skin type. Is the Halo different?
It's different in the sense that you can treat any type of skin color. In medical terms, we call it Fitzpatrick levels of skin color, but it just means from light to dark. Traditionally, with the traditional lasers, you had to go with a lighter colored person, and you really had to stay away from it in the summertime when people were more out and had more suntan. This you can use 24/7, 365 on any type of skin color, so it's a game changer.
How many times do you have to do this to notice a change?
It depends on what we're starting with, how severe it is, but generally somewhere between 1 and 3 treatments a few weeks apart.
And how much does it cost?
It's somewhere around $1,500 a treatment.
And
downtime? 2 days, 3 days, which is much less than the traditional lasers, which can be
the Fraxel,
which is 2 to 3 weeks, right?
Any risks?
Not really. But there's, most lasers you got to worry about potentially, God forbid, burning a patient or going too deep. There's really, this laser has so many safety features on it that it's nearly impossible to do any harm to the patient.
Okay, I got to ask you while you're here, Barbie Botox.
Oh, I love it.
I see it trending everywhere. What is that?
Barbie Botox is where we give Botox, neuromodulator, into the neck. And what it does is it relaxes the muscles at the base of the neck, and it gives you a more elongated appearance of your neck, a little bit more Audrey Hepburnish type of look. And also it helps someone who has, chronic neck and back shoulder pain. So it relieves that. Someone has larger breasts, it causes them a little bit more of a discomfort. It works great for those indications.
Do you look like Barbie after it? I didn't realize that Barbie had a long neck.
After you leave my office, everyone looks like Barbie.
So, by the way, Dr. Rowe, you do have a number of offices.
I do have a number of offices in the New York and New Jersey area. We are located on 75th and Park here in New York City, the Hamptons, New Jersey. You can find us at roweplasticsurgery.com.
All right, Dr. Rowe, nice to meet you in person.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for the information. Good Day New York is coming right back.